On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Paleoanthropology.
The branch of anthropology concerned with the study of human evolution and development through fossilized remains, genetics, and other methods.
Examples:
Paleoanthropology expedition, Paleoanthropology museum. The study of paleoanthropology involves analyzing fossil remains to understand the evolution of humans.
Ancestor.
A person from whom one is descended, a forefather.
Examples:
Ancestor language, earliest human ancestor. My remote ancestor immigrated to the United States from Ireland in the 1800s.
Chimpanzee.
A small, very intelligent ape found in West and Central Africa with black or brown fur.
Examples:
Chimpanzee behavior, chimpanzee society. Many zoos have chimpanzee exhibits, allowing visitors to observe these intelligent primates up close.
Hominin.
A group of primates that include humans and their ancestors, distinguished by bipedal locomotion, large brains relative to body size, and skeletal adaptations for upright posture and locomotion.
Examples:
Hominin fossils, hominin evolution. The classification of hominin species is complex due to the small number of fossils available for study.
Australopithecus.
Any of several extinct hominid species that lived in Africa between 4 million and 1 million years ago and are considered to be among the earliest ancestors of modern humans.
Examples:
Australopithecus skull, Australopithecus africanus. Australopithecus fossils have been found in eastern and southern Africa.
Sparse.
Only in small quantities or numbers, and often spread over a wide area.
Examples:
A sparse population, sparse snowfall. There is a sparse area between galaxies.
Pelvic.
Of or relating to the pelvis, the lower part of the trunk of the human body, between the hips.
Examples:
Pelvic pain, pelvic exam. The pelvic region is an important area of the human anatomy.
Morphology.
The study of the form and structure of plants, animals, and other organisms. The study of the alteration of word forms as they change from one part of speech to another.
Examples:
Morphology of a language, cellular morphology. The morphology of rocks can reveal clues about their geological history.
Disrupt.
To prevent or stop something, especially an event, activity, or process, from continuing in the usual way by causing a problem or disturbance.
Examples:
Disrupt a well-ordered condition. Disrupt sleep. I'm so sorry to disrupt you when you're pretty busy.
Determinant.
A factor, circumstance, or condition that contributes to the shaping, influencing, or determining of a particular outcome or result.
Examples:
Environmental determinant. A determinant of crop yields. One determinant of success is having a positive attitude and a strong work ethic.
Excavate.
To dig or remove earth, rocks, or other materials from the ground or a site, often to uncover or discover something.
Examples:
Excavate a deep hole. Excavate soil. The archaeologists excavated the ruins of an ancient city buried under the desert sands.
Trove.
A valuable collection of rare or interesting things, usually on the earth.
Examples:
Trove of information. Stumble on a trove. The treasure trove of ancient artifacts was a museum's dream come true.
Specie.
Coins or notes in a currency, as distinct from paper money, a chemical substance or group made up of identical molecules.
Examples:
Specie reserve. Ground state specie. The store only accepts payment in cash, no credit or debit cards, only specie.
Cranium.
The skull of a human or animal, which encloses and protects the brain.
Examples:
Human cranium. Fractured cranium. The scientist studied the dinosaur's cranium to learn more about its brain.
Biped.
An animal with 2 feet.
Examples:
Biped robot. A featherless biped. Biped walking encouraged the further evolution of humankind.
Ape.
A large animal with long arms, no tail, and usually a lot of body hair, including gorillas, chimpanzees, orangutans, and gibbons.
Examples:
Jungle ape. Play the ape. The scientist studied the behavior of apes in the wild.
Ancestral.
Related to or connected with members of your family from the past.
Examples:
An ancestral graveyard. Ancestral roots. The ancestral home has been in the family for generations.
Scarcely.
Hardly or almost not, only just.
Examples:
Scarcely readable. Scarcely any interest in public. We scarcely ever used AEDs.
Assemblage.
A collection or gathering of things or persons, a group or ensemble of items that have been brought together in a particular way.
Examples:
Sculptural assemblage. An assemblage of tools. The assemblage of artists displayed their works in the gallery for all to see.
Fragmentary.
Consisting of small or disjointed fragments, incomplete or lacking coherence or continuity, characterized by fragmentation or disunity.
Examples:
fragmentary information, fragmentary remains. The historian could only piece together a fragmentary account of the ancient civilization.
Trait.
A particular feature of your nature.
Examples:
chemical trait, personality traits. Multiple genes may influence behavioral traits concurrently.
Molar.
One of the large teeth located in the back of the mouth used for grinding and chewing food. A dental drill used for removing decay or shaping teeth. Adjective, describing a solution in which the concentration of a solute is expressed in moles per liter, mol/L.
Examples:
molar tooth, molar absorbency index. I have a cavity in my molar and need to see the dentist.
Incisor.
One of the front teeth in the human or animal mouth that are used for biting or cutting food, a tooth adapted for cutting.
Examples:
sharpened incisors, upper incisor. The dentist extracted my incisor due to decay and infection.
Canine.
Relating to or characteristic of dogs or the dog family, having qualities that are similar to those of dogs, such as loyalty or aggressiveness.
Examples:
canine behavior, canine teeth. The veterinarian recommended a canine-friendly diet for my dog's health.
Cusp.
A pointed end, especially the pointed end of a crescent moon or the part of a curve that is most curved.
Examples:
cusp of change, a single cusp. The project was on the cusp of success and needed a little more funding.
Mitten.
A glove with a separate sheath for the thumb but a combined sheath for the four fingers, typically warmer than a traditional glove.
Examples:
fingerless mitten, knitted mitten. My mom knit me a pair of warm woolen mittens for the winter.
Occlusal.
Referring to the surface or point of contact between upper and lower teeth, particularly the chewing surface of the molars and premolars.
Examples:
occlusal surface, occlusal adjustment. The dentist used an occlusal examination to check for patient bite issues.
Deciduous.
Of plants and shrubs, shedding its foliage annually, of teeth, antlers, etc., shedding its body parts at the end of a period of growth.
Examples:
deciduous tree, deciduous teeth. Deciduous leafy trees dominate the forests of the lower region.
Hominid.
A primate of a family, hominidae, that includes humans and their fossil ancestors.
Examples:
Large-toothed hominid. Hominid evolution. Scientists have discovered new fossil evidence of an ancient hominid species.
Intraspecific.
Relating to or occurring within a single species, referring to the interactions, behaviors, or traits that occur among individuals or populations of the same species.
Examples:
Intraspecific variation. Intraspecific competition. The study focused on the intraspecific differences between the two species of birds.
Flare.
To burn brightly with a sudden, intense burst of flame or light. Noun, a sudden and brief burst of bright flame or light, a sudden and intense burst of radiation from the sun's surface.
Examples:
Flare up into a major crisis. The flare of a match. The sun flared and caused a sudden brightening in the sky.
Human-like.
Resembling or having characteristics of a human, such as an appearance or behavior.
Examples:
Human-like robot. Human-like behavior. The android's human-like features made distinguishing from a real person difficult.
Slender.
Thin and delicate, often in an attractive way.
Examples:
Slender body. A long slender leaf. He has a slender income.
Rethink.
To consider again a plan, idea, etc., especially to change it.
Examples:
Rethink a marketing plan. Rethink the role of the manager. We have to rethink our company's product lineup for further growth.
Coexist.
To live or exist together at the same time in the same place.
Examples:
Coexist with nature. Coexist with diversity. The different species can coexist in the same ecosystem by filling different niches and using different resources.
Interbreed.
To breed between different species or varieties.
Examples:
Interbreed to produce hybrid offspring. Interbreed plants. Lions and tigers can interbreed to produce a liger.
Archaeology.
The branch of anthropology that studies prehistoric people and their cultures.
Examples:
The Institute of Archaeology. Prehistoric archaeology. She teaches archaeology at the local university.
Artifact.
A person-made object, especially one of historical or cultural interest.
Examples:
Paleolithic artifacts. Peruvian artifacts. The museum has a vast collection of Greek artifacts.
Industrious.
Hardworking, diligent, and persistent in effort.
Examples:
Industrious worker. Industrious student. He was known to be very industrious and would often work late into the night.
Ironic.
A situation or event that is opposite of what is expected, the use of words to mean the opposite of their literal or original meaning.
Examples:
Ironic twist. Ironic consequence. It's ironic that the rain started just as they finished building the new picnic shelter.